Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you still control. Sign into account. Microsoft. Com on a safe device and check recent sign-in activity. Note anomalies. Once done, collect recovery email, phone number, previous passwords, Form 1099, or payment info tied to the account and the approximate account creation date. Make sure to enable airplane mode on any suspicious device and use your personal network. This prepares you to prove ownership fast and prevents further unauthorized access while you move to the recovery flow. Now run the official recovery flow. Go to the Microsoft account recovery form and provide the exact email, phone, and previous passwords you recorded. Accuracy increases success rate. When prompted, accept codes sent to recovery contacts or approve via your Authenticator app. If you can't access 2FA, select the option saying you don't have these devices and complete the identity form with payment and creation details. Make sure to answer consistently. Once Microsoft verifies the data, they'll restore access or request additional proof. Once you regain access, immediately reset your password to a strong, unique one and enable two-factor authentication. Use an Authenticator app rather than SMS when possible. Then update recovery email and phone, review app-specific passwords, revoke unknown sessions, and remove suspicious forwarding or mailbox rules. Run a full malware scan on all devices that access the account to eliminate backdoors. If recovery is denied, contact Microsoft support. Supply a clear evidence packet with dates, IP clues, and payment history, and persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.